Hey, what's good, y'all? My name is Proxy Sales, bro, and today in this video, I just want to thank y'all, bro. We hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, bro, and I'm so grateful for y'all from the bottom of my heart, man. I started back up doing this, man, after a long break off, like a really long break, and I came back, and y'all have made this comeback the best it's ever been, bro. So I appreciate y'all so much. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate y'all and everything that y'all done for me, and I'm happy that I've been able to help as many people as I possibly can get put on game, make money, do all that type of stuff, bro. So let's get into it. I'm gonna give y'all some free sites today, you feel me? So again, first thing I just want to say is thank you for 1,000 subs, bro. And here is all my stuff, because a lot of people struggle to find it. At Proxy Sales on Telly, and there's the link to my shop. It's in my bio. A lot of people, they hit me, bro, and they're like, Proxy, where's your chat? Bro, it's in my bio. It's always in my bio. And also, I want to address something to some of y'all, bro. I know I'll be talking in your left ear, bro. This video probably coming in through your left ear. How do I fix this? Like, bro, my interface, I don't know why. It's only through the left ear when I record a video. When I'm like recording music or something like that, it never goes through the left ear only. I don't know what is happening. But hey, bro, again, I appreciate y'all so much. And be sure to join up on the Telegram, everything like that, my man. I finna give y'all some sites, you feel me? All right, here's a great cheesecake site. Russian Market. They got great refunds for invalid cheesecakes, so they're great. Great log site. Meme shop. What a log is basically something you log into, you know, like a Google account. And then we got scanlab.cc, bro. Scanlab is great for creating docs. You know what a doc is. Stop playing. And then finally, be on the lookout for my cheesecake site dropping soon, y'all. I've got a cheesecake site dropping soon, and we are gonna have some great valid rates. All the cheesecakes are gonna be at a great price, and they're gonna include a lot of extra information if possible. So be sure to support the cheesecake site when it drops. We're gonna try to become the biggest site. But hey, y'all, this is a short video for today, but I just wanted to put a bunch of y'all on game, bro, since we just hit 1,000 subs, bro. We gotta celebrate. But hey, man, I've been Proxy Sales. I'll see you guys in my Telegram chat. Bye-bye.
If you tired of being broken with some money, join my Telegram chat. I got a step-by-step guide on how to quickly make a rack.